Hi guys, good morning. Today Maria is not with me. I'm meeting someone special for lunch. My dentist, Dr. Blanche Themudo. She is quite a passionate foodie, just like me and Maria, and she knows all kinds of gems in our local area which we don't even know about. So today she's taking me to a place called Fernando in Sarauli, and Sarauli is just the other side of the road from Banauli, and we hadn't even heard of it. And she said the food is like home cooking, so I'm very excited and looking forward to a home cooked lunch. So I'll share it with you guys. See you guys there. And here we are on the Margao Kolva road coming from the Kolva side. After Vaz liquor shop, there is a speed breaker. If you come from Margao side also, there is a speed breaker at this junction. Here we turn into Per Sarauli, a ward of Kolva. Follow the village road carefully. It is narrow and has curves and blind corners. When you see the shop on the left, slow down. Fernando is just ahead. Here's Dr. Blanche. Lovely. These are the places where you get the best food. Dr. Blanche, thanks so much for showing us your favorite neighborhood place.
Oh, I hope you like it. And I'm sure you will, because this is as local as it can get.
How many years have you been eating here?
Over 7-8 years. Yeah, it's just become a bit more posh now. It used to be like a coconut hut with
Oh
coconut
wow.
palms.
Wow.
And during the monsoon, you could never sit here.
And what's your favorite thing you eat here?
I like all her fish actually, and her beef cutlets, crumb fried
Wow.
cutlets are very nice. We'll have that today.
Yeah, sure.
And her prawns are good. I come here for the thali very often, which is during the week. And
Great. Thali is my favorite, but I'm looking forward to a change today. I'd love to have these beef cutlets. Let's see what he has.
this is Fernando.
Hello, Fernando. Hello. Ali looks very good. Hello, nice to meet you. Your good name? Lovely to meet you. Rennie does the cooking and Fernando does the serving. They are a hard-working husband and wife team. Thank you, thank you.
Fish. Would you like some
prawns.
fish? Prawn?
आणि आहे काळे पितोच आहे चणोक आहे
Sonok.
मॅक्रल आहे
Sonok, I love.
Rishad?
That thali looked very good, but that
You wanna have a
gentleman. We can take one thali
Yeah.
and beef cutlets, of course.
Yeah, that's
Great.
yeah.
You want to have prawns?
Yeah, we can have a prawns are good.
Let's have prawns.
So we'll do that.
The mark of a great place in summer gives you tour without asking. Lovely.
Thank you.
आणि ती होऊन गेली आम गेली
More time on Hubbard now.
Wow, it smells very good. Is this the beef cutlet?
Yeah.
Amazing aroma. Please have.
So you can tell this is homemade.
Yeah. You ate only one piece.
I'll have more. I'm enjoying this.
Mmm. It's like this beef cutlet is not made with mince. Made with beef pieces.
Yeah, beef pieces.
Wow, eh? First time I've had like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh,
I've not had beef cutlet like
like
this.
this, no? Another place where I love the beef cutlet is Simon's. Beef cutlet is usually like this.
Look at this. I don't. This is not what I've been getting, doctor. Everywhere I go, it's beef mince.
Crumb fried cutlet is like this.
I've had lot of beef cutlet in this area and in Margao. I never had as good as this, and with big chunks of meat.
See, look at this.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Wow.
And एक गोशी आया ना?
बरं आठ ना
Thank you.
चिकन राईस पण बरं
Prawns.
होय साठा आता साठा
Thank you, uncle.
I'm not sure I was able to eat prawns, but now first time I'm seeing a fish thali which has chicken also. The thali has prawn curry, chicken green masala, salad, mango chutney, tenli bhaji, reshad bangdo, and rice, of course.
Maybe I'm keeping some more rice for you. Prawns.
What a beautiful color of this curry, yeah?
Can I put some chutney for you?
Please. First time I'm seeing seasonal raw mango chutney in a fish thali also.
This is the chutney. Nice garlic twist to it.
Oh wow.
Curry is yum. I think she's cooked it on a fire stove. You can get that smoke.
Color is only so beautiful. It may be a small humble place by the road, but these are the places which really have the good stuff. Huh? You have to know. I feel very fortunate, doctor, about all these places you've been telling me about. But
yeah.
it's so surprising, you know. I have been asking all my friends in Benaulin about Fernando's in Sarauli. Nobody knows.
Really?
Yeah. I said that it's our neighboring village.
Yeah.
He's like, no. Everybody thinks their own area is the best.
And then we were like, this is home food. You know, you don't want to eat out on an everyday basis. We thought,
Absolutely.
this is home food.
Absolutely. A lot of people say on my channel that everywhere you go, you have fish thali. But they don't understand that when you have fish thali, you don't really feel like you're eating out. Because it's not possible to eat out so frequently.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Check out these succulent Reshad prawns.
This is the green chicken that they make normally in the Goan homes, no?
Yeah.
On a Sunday, it's pulao and green chicken, no? Pulao and choris mas. I'm going to use my hands.
Please, yeah. Oh wow. Amazing curry. Very, very different to what I'm used to normally. Superb with the chutney, eh? I thought I'm too full to have prawns, but I'm definitely going to have these prawns. This Reshad prawns is one of the best I've had ever, I'm saying. Not, I don't mean recently, I mean ever. One of the best.
I'm glad you have space to eat them.
It's all about the homemade masala, no?
She'll only come out to greet you, and now she's inside. They're cooking.
My God. Maria has missed something today. She also loves prawns.
Oh, she does? Oh, you have two options in rice also. I forgot to tell you that you have boiled rice also.
Oh, yeah, ukde sheet.
Ukde sheet. Now, ukde na karo. Mag sangpa ukde. She likes ukde, but you get ukde also.
That's a very good tip. We get ukde sheet also, yeah. Ukde sheet is the best. But it's so sad nowadays only the small places are having ukde sheet, you know. These restaurants have this wrong idea that people want white rice. Wow, doctor, I really owe you for.
Oh, no. I didn't know
I think the bhaji is so nice.
It's like local home food. Super.
Besides Goan food, Dr. Blanche and I are also both passionate about dogs.
What dogs do you have, Leslie?
So I have one Labrador and I have this other dog who I think he was from Dhareban because there is this group of hound-like dogs and he's like a hound.
Just after the bridge.
Correct, just after the bridge. And in fact, Dr. Deepa Kureya told me that she thinks he's from there because of his shape. And even see, one day I found on my lane that there's this dog, and you know it's unusual to find a new dog in the lane, right? Because all the dogs have their territory marked. I saw him, I started feeding him. Thin fellow he was. At that time he was just about 10 or 11 months old. And once I started feeding him and he figured out where I live, he jumped in. He saw my dog, he ran away. Next day he came back. He befriended her. Oh. And that dog, he's very mischievous. He runs in the fields, he gets dirty, everything. But he protects us from the snakes.
Barks, no?
He goes and stands over the snake till we don't leave from there. I get heart attack. I'm like, you know, Baba, come. He won't leave till we take the other dog and go inside the house. 4 times he's spotted the cobra. So you were asking me, you know, how I manage with snakes? It's because of this fellow. And one day I fear that I'll lose him to a snake because he just stands over it. He suddenly turned up in our lane one day and there was something about him. We figured out that he's someone's pet who's got lost. You know, some firecracker must have got set off or something. He ran away. But you know, it's literally like God brought him to us.
You want someone to
And especially because our Labrador is very sweet but not very bright. Yeah. She doesn't have any sense of, you know, danger the way this one has.
Yeah.
But this guy...
You want someone beef?
I'm going to eat banguro.
I'm not going to have it. I'm finishing it all.
Okay, I'll do my best. I'm not sure if I can, but I'll try.
High in
The
omega.
prawn is anything to go by. The Reshad masala is very good. Oh wow. Too good. That touch of sweetness.
Night I brought them here. I was like, listen, I don't know whether you guys want to go there. Every day we were having different things. In fact, right now, he said, why did you have to tell me this? Penna. This thing you have to eat them.
Have to.
There's a nice sweet twist to this.
I am so full, but just to give you all the feedback, I'm tasting the chicken. Mmm. Chicken is too good, but when you have such great bhangra and prawns in front of you, that's what you want to eat. Very nice, but I'll have one more. You have that. I'm so full. Me also.
And I'm going to like last
Now I'm going to go home and sleep.
Go and siesta.
One can only sleep after eating a meal. Right?
That's why the Goans have the siesta time, no?
Very civilized, etc. I'm surprised to see on both sides. This curry was different. It had a very red color, which was very nice.
It is, they grind the whole masala and they use the whole masala. It's not roast. That's the difference.
What a find.
Because they're catering to a lot of people now. And they can't make the roast curry. The roast curry takes time. You need more manpower.
Right.
These people are husband wife trying to feed all of us.
Yeah, the place is quite full, huh?
I mean, but for their modest setup, it's good.
Barely 5 minutes drive from my house. Huh?
Just down the road for you, even from where you are right now.
Yeah.
And people don't know about it. You want to taste the chicken? What I've been doing.
Best way to eat.
Proper green masala of the
Happy?
right.
Thanks to Dr. Blanche. Great tip coming your way. Fernando and Demi's place in Serauli. Just to die for home food. Must try.
Leslie, this was an invitation from me. So this is compliments from me. So you don't have to pay anything, okay? Thank you for having me. And it's been a pleasure sitting with you and just chilling out rather than being in the chair talking teeth.
Thank you so much, Dr. Blanche, for introducing me to this amazing place in our neighborhood. And thanks very much for the treat. I owe you one.
Done.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Wonderful food. Thank you so much. Delicious.